My husband is going to get the pigeon out of the bathroom.
And we're gonna watch him. It looks like he's a wrestler.
You better put them plastic gloves on too. He gonna bite you. Let me open the window.
Bird.
It's a big ass bird. He look like the guard pigeon.
You look like us.
Looking kind of good in them gloves and stuff.
Oh no. It's gonna crawl on us.
Don't you think we should open up a window or something? Turn on the light. He behind the toilet somewhere. They got him.
Yeah? I'm not going with No! And drag him out. Put him in a house. Put him in a bag.
You gotta go get the bird out the bathroom.
It's right there by the toilet.
Go get it. Come on, you gotta stretch your manly muscles.
Midnight wants to go back in.
Nope, Midnight ran behind the couch. Just to save yourself. She said that bird is a little too big for me. I didn't drag it in there. The fat one did. Told you Papa dragged that bird in here, because Papa the only one big enough to do some shit like that.
Don't let it come out and fly. Okay.
You got hide behind me.
No.